The window cleaning class today was very educational. I learned a lot about different equipment to use, different techniques, different types of solutions to use, and learned about the pure water system, about how to properly clean the windowsill and the window, and learned all about the system, the RH2 Pro system, which is what we already have. So I've been doing this for about 4 years, but I've only used that pure water system maybe 2 or 3 times. So that was one of the main reasons for coming to this class, was to learn how to use that pure water system right, be able to maintenance and do everything myself so I could go on a job by myself and use that. The inside window cleaning, all that stuff, the techniques that we have are pretty good, but one thing that this class has taught me is how to speed certain things up without cutting corners.
I learned some exciting and new things today that's very informative to start a window cleaning business. Tomorrow we'll get into pressure washing and soft washing as well. As you can see, I got a random set of tools here. It's just so many things that we utilize today. And this class was very, very fun and informative at the same time. And I look forward to the things that we have to come to learn from this company.
A lot that I learned from today's class at JRC was pretty much a lot about pricing, terminology, safety, having a game plan when you're going into something, and a lot of it was foreign to me that I didn't know, and it was good to get all the knowledge and kind of learn the terminology like I said before and how to put the products to use, and all around a good skill set, and I recommend this class for anybody who takes it.
Been cleaning windows for about 10 years, but I still found the window cleaning class very informative. Definitely expanded my knowledge on different equipment and techniques and the business side of things, which is very important, such as marketing and bidding. So I would highly recommend the class to anybody who's looking to expand their knowledge, expand their business, and be more successful.
I found the class to be very informative. There were slides to follow and everything flowed, and it was engaging, and we also got to do some hands-on training at the end. I would recommend it to anyone interested in learning more about pressure washing and soft washing.